What's up, guys? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. Where you guys been? I've been looking for you all week. I'm just kidding. How we doing today? It's a beautiful day. Look at that sun. Let's not get our hopes up it's gonna stick around though. Anyway, here's a overdue review. Look at that, I'm a poet and didn't know it. Damn, boy, I tell you what. Yes. It's a knife. I was in the store earlier grabbing some lunch, and they finally got a new knife in. This one's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a fixed blade knife. It's pretty cool, but what I like about this one actually is the sheath, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and get into it. But first, before we continue, go ahead, like, subscribe, notification, thumbs up, download, and share. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. I'll wait for you while you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't have all day, so let's go ahead and do that right now. You ready? All right, let's do this. We're going to use the knife to open the knife. Check that out, guys. It's a Camillus titanium bonded fixed blade, 420 stainless steel, 4.25 inch blade, glass filled nylon handle. I still don't know what that means. Molded sheath, Injekt Multitool. It's got two different multi-tools, and what is cool about this is the sheath, and we will get it open so I can show you what's cool about the sheath. I was hoping you'd take my word for it. You don't have to be like that. I thought we were special. No need safety guards around here. We're adults. Check that out. I love the shape of that blade. That's pretty cool. Ooh, she's sharp. She's sharp. Very good grip. Very good grip. You got two little buttons right here, and you'll see what those are for here in just a second. But yes, that's a nice fixed blade. Yes, it does appear to be full tang. I mean, to me, that's a good skinning knife right there. I can get that squirrel to come down here. I'd show you. Well, he's coming this way. He changed his mind. He knew better. But yes, very nice. Very nice. I like that. Very comfortable. Very good grip. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Now, one thing I am disappointed about this knife is, even though it's got the cool tools and the cool sheath, I think it'd be better with the ferro rod. That's just me. That's just my personal preferences. I have enough ferro rods to where it doesn't really matter. Anywho. Okay, let's see here. Get these little multi-tool things to fall out. Now, here's the little tools that come with it. A couple little hex wrenches, flathead screwdriver, gut hook, a couple more hex wrenches, the all-important bottle opener. Not really sure. I don't know. They want to put them in there, we'll put them in there. There they go. They go right into the handle. Boom. Lock in place. And apparently there's a direction that they go in, and it's shows you right on the handle. Has to go in this way. Like that. And there, you just push the button, and it ejects out. Boom. Well, that'd be cool. Sharpen up that one end. Anyway, now let's check out the sheath. It is Well, it's a sheath. It's a molded plastic sheath, ballistic nylon belt loop with the snap. Now, what is so cool about this sheath? For one, check that out. That's a knife sharpener. Built in. The knife is already sharp, but it'll get dull sometime maybe. What I like else about it, you put it in there, you snap it. Boy, I tell you, new knives with snaps on the sheath are really fun. Anyway, check that out right there. You got a cord cutter built in to the sheath when the knife is in place. Quick cut, boom. Cut you some cord, cut your seat belt, you know, it's a nice quick cutter. You ain't got to pull the knife out if you need to cut some cord or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's not bad for 20 bucks. Yeah, 20 bucks. Fits real good in there. It's not going anywhere. That snap right there is holding that sucker in place, I guarantee. Little noisy, but that's okay. That's okay. Now, if the snap is not snapped, the knife will fall out. It does not lock in place into the sheath. It does not lock. That's what snap's for. Very nice, very nice. I really like this knife. Definitely good little pack knife. Put it in your pack, put it in your truck, put it in your hunting bag. Definitely a nice little knife. It's worth 20 bucks, guys. If you've seen my review on that Amazon purchase of a survival knife that I did, that piece of crap was 20 bucks too. And definitely not worth it. Definitely worth the 20 bucks, people. Definitely worth 20 bucks. Knife sharpener, cord cutter, a couple little tools in there for you, and a good blade. $20 well spent. Hope you enjoyed this little quick review. It's nice to see that the store is starting to get some more products in. More products that I can bring you. Even though I'm trying to get away from doing a lot of product reviews, I understand that that's what you guys enjoy. I mean, if you can send me money to help out, I'll do even more. But other than that, these come out of my pocket. I got to pay for them, and I've got plenty. So, I mean, I basically buy them. I do the review for them. I stick them in a drawer. I got some nice BPS knives that I'm trying to give away, but apparently you guys don't want them. 500 subscribers, and I start sending them out. What are you waiting on, guys? You want a nice BPS carbon steel, beautiful adventurer knife? 500 subscribers, some lucky subscriber is getting it. Go ahead. I've already told you once, hit that subscribe button for your chance to win. Public subscribers, they're entered for a chance to win. We might give away some more knives, but I know I want subscribers. I'm not trying to be a big one-time success. I don't want to be the Island Boys of YouTube. I want to be the Justin Bieber. That's right, you heard me right. I don't want to be an Island Boy. I want to be Justin Bieber. I'm not asking for a viral video to put me on top of the world for overnight and then be forgot about. I want to be with you guys for a long time, just like Justin Bieber is. He was discovered on YouTube. I want to be discovered on YouTube. I'm just messing with you guys. I'm just enjoying this and having fun doing it. And I want you guys to be there with me when I do. Let's hit that 500. Let's hit that 1,000. We're gonna shoot for 500 by New Year. Gives y'all plenty of time. I would say 1,000 by New Year, but people be slow. They're not getting there. We should have it already. We should have it already. You are the best viewers on YouTube. You're the best subscribers on YouTube. Let's get us where we need to be. Enough of that. We're having fun. Getting ready for the weekend. Got a special treat coming to y'all this weekend. My brother from Live Your Truth, my brother Damien, he's coming down. Me and him, we're going down to the Everglades. He's never caught a peacock bass. He's going to catch one this weekend. He might catch more than weekend, I hope. More than one, I hope. But we're going to go down to the Everglades. We're going to do a little fishing for some peacock. After we catch us a couple peacock, we're going to load up. And we're just a short drive from Islamorada. We're going to drive down Islamorada, have some lunch, go to a distillery, taste some different spirits. Who knows else what we might get into? We don't know. We don't know. But it's something for you guys to look forward to. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, like and subscribe. That's the most important thing you can do today. Subscribe to my channel. Be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people. Let's get outside. You're done watching my video. You're done subscribing to my video, to my channel. Now get outside.